5 Organizing Tips for Mothers.
Tip number 1. Open the mail. Write the due dates on bills.
Place and sort them according to due dates in a file folder. You may also recycle the envelopes. Tip number 2. Never miss a birthday. Buy a birthday card for 5 at a time. When you have a downtime, write your cards out to their intended recipient. File them in a place you'll remember, then set an alarm days before the recipient's birthday. Tip number 3. The small, clear, gridded pockets in a hanging shoe organizer are great for collecting small items. Just keep the lower pockets out of reach of kids, or fill them with kid-safe stuff. Tip number 4. Create a toy library to keep teddies and trucks from taking over your house. Separate toys by category: blocks, cars, dolls, etc., and designate one bin for each. When it's time to play, check out toys from the library and move them to a small basket. When it's time to play something new, check in the old toys. Tip number 5. Painter's tape are great for labeling. It's easy to tear and stays put but leaves no residue behind. Label leftovers, belongings, cords and wires, seal snack bags, hang party decor, and fix a ripped diaper tab. Please like and subscribe for more digital mommy tips.